Hey, what's going on, everybody? You know who it is, JJ. Once again, we back at it with another video today. We're going to look into Copart today and see what they got going on price-wise. First things first, if you haven't already, drop a like on this video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I really appreciate that. If you're watching the video and you like what you see, and I'm always going to be giving out advice. So if you can, subscribe to the channel. We're about to reach 2,000 subscribers here pretty soon, and I can't wait till that happens. So, if you're watching this video and you haven't also subscribed, it doesn't take nothing for you to subscribe. Drop that subscribe video. But yeah, we're going to talk about it. And also, I will have a sit down with Carlos again this week, and it will be for like the members only. So the membership link will be in the description. So if you haven't signed up and got your membership, it will be in the description. Hopefully I can get that video done with Carlos this week. If not, it's going to be next week. But if you're a member, you're going to get to see that video, and it's going to be exclusive for you guys for a while, and then I'll release it to everybody else. But yeah, be waiting on that. So let's get to the video. Let me spit a little advice to you guys right quick. People will be asking me like, what's some of the cars that's good to make money off of, and what cars you kind of look for. Me, I always look for like 05s to around 2010, 11, 12, maybe 12 Kias and Hyundais, because Kias and Hyundai, they had a bad rep for so long. So a lot of times, like if you talk to all these other dealers, and most people don't buy Kias and Hyundais unless it's like newer, like 17s and 18 models and stuff like that. So they don't mess with like the older models. But those Kias, since nobody really buys them, you can get those for cheap, and then you can turn around and make great money off of them. Like those are great money making cars if you go to the auction, because you'll see nobody's really looking at Kias and Hyundais unless they're the new ones. If they're like older, like 08s, 09s, nobody's looking at them, and you can buy those cars for low and turn around and make great money, because they're bad, and dealers and stuff, like they still have that bad rep from like dealers and stuff like that. So dealers and stuff, they still got a bad rep, but people that's buying cars, they like Kias and Hyundais, because Kias and Hyundais, they'll last a long time. They're good little vehicles. They're great on gas. They look good. They have a good look to them. So that's some little advice I wanted to give you guys right quick. But yeah, let's get into it. Let's get to Copart, and let's see what's going on. Let's see what these Copart prices get going like. Let's get to it. Let's hop into it. We're going. Yes. Yes, I see. Let's hop into it. We're going to hop into Texas Amarillo first. Let's hop into it. We get some volume going.
Sold on approval. New bidder. High purchase.
Daddy, what you doing?
I'm looking at cars.
Yeah, I have a computer.
You can have it when I'm done.
Daddy,
New bidder.
Yes.
I got your socks.
Yes, I see your socks. Yes. You have fun at school?
Sold on approval.
Yes, I'm looking at cars.
Did you put your pillow and stuff up over there? Did you get it off the table? Get it off the table.
New bidder. New bidder. New bidder. This is a hot lot.
Huh?
Sold on approval.
Put it back in here.
Look at Daddy did.
New bidder.
that back in there.
New bidder.
Runs and drives.
New bidder.
Not bad. 2010 Acura TX.
Put that down. Put the door back over here.
New bidder.
What's that?
Yes, come on, show her. Come on.
New bidder. This is a hot lot.
$2,900 for $3,000. 2010 Acura, 153,000 miles. It's not too bad. Getting a little too high. 3,000, 3,100.
Sold on approval.
Not too terrible. 2012 Nissan Sentra, 150,000 miles. Primary damage is hell. Runs and drives. Only
New
13.
bidder.
1350. It's not bad. It's really not bad. 1350 for a run and drive. 2012.
Sold.
That was sold for 1350. That was a
New
deal.
bidder.
Okay. Yeah, I see it. That 2012 was a great deal. That's easily. Yeah, all right. Jake, go to the table so you don't waste those chips. Sit in your bed so you don't waste the chips. 3350. So estimated retail of 16,000. And does only have 41,000 miles. 2008 Honda Element. This will be the last one we look right here. Then we'll hop into Memphis, Tennessee for a second.
This is a hot lot.
$3,850, and it says that an estimated retail of 16,000. Salvage title, so it probably puts the value around like 10, 11,000. Still not bad. If you get it $4,000, another
Sold.
4,000. That's not bad for a car that got a retail of 16,000.
New bidder.
That's definitely not bad. Retail car, 16,000, 41,000 miles. You bought it for $4,000. It's probably still got a value of 10, 11,000. You put $1,000 worth of work, you easily make $5,000 off of that vehicle. That's easy $5,000. Let's hop in Memphis, Tennessee. What is it, JR?
Is that your phone?
Yep, it's my phone. Salvage title, primary damage is on the side. $4,000 retail. I don't believe that. 2004 Mustang, 154,000 miles. 3.9 V6.
High participation bonus in the time.
It ain't bringing more than 700, but it ain't bad though. You got some damage to the door. You can go find a new door for those in the salvage yard, but they say it runs and drives.
Sold.
700, can't beat it. It's not bad. Yeah.
New bidder.
Let's see, 2009 Lincoln MKS white, 154,000 miles. Has an estimated retail of 6,000. So if you sell it, it's a clean car. Just back bumper and some damage right there, and you get you a good one. Quit jumping on this bed. Get you a nice back bumper.
Sold.
Oh, that was cheap. That was cheap. Easy flip. 2007 Toyota
New
Camry.
bidder.
244,000 miles. That ain't nothing. Nah, that was some pretty beat up. That one's pretty beat. It's pretty beat up. Still about $775.
Sold.
Shoot, what you gonna do with that? You gotta replace all that one. Let's take this.
New bidder.
They got the prices going cheap for these Copart cars in, what was that, Memphis, Tennessee? 1400, 2011 Toyota Camry. Looks like it just need a front bumper. Let's see if there's any other damage to the car. Yeah, just front bumper and some headlights. Any airbags deployed? Runs and drives.
Sold.
No airbags deployed. Cheap. That was cheap. That was cheap. Let's see, 2011 Infiniti airbags deployed. Yeah, that's a lot
New
of work.
bidder.
Still got an estimated retail of $10,000. If you got a good body, man, and find some parts for cheap, you really making money. You know, you really make a killing. You're gonna sell for $1,400 for a 2010.
Sold on approval.
Sold on call. They gotta see if they gonna sell this one. Man, this Durango beat, but it still says it has an estimated retail of $29,000. That's crazy. But look how much damage it is.
New bidder.
Look how much work. Yeah, so it's a salvage title, so you probably around 18,000. Then you got 37. Then you got damage. You need a good body
Sold
man
on
for that.
approval.
3,600 sold on approval. It's
New
a
bidder.
little car, 2012 Ford. Front end and rear end runs and drives. Let's see how bad is the rear end damage though. Looks mainly just like a bumper. Straighten it, front bumper. See if it shows if the airbags was deployed or not. Airbags wasn't deployed, so we need the front bumper, back bumper, maybe radiator support. 675.
Sold on approval.
675. You can't beat that for 2012. 2016 runs and drives. Damage to the rear end. Not too bad. It's not too bad. That's not. The rear end is not. Get somebody to straighten that and put a back bumper on there. That's not.
New bidder.
68,000 original miles, 68,000 low miles. Really, that back damage really ain't that bad. It's really just bumper and basically aligning all that. So you can. So we'll end it on this Nissan Altima. That'll be the next one. We'll just end it on this Nissan Altima.
New bidder. This is a hot lot.
And still bidding on this car. Now watch, they gonna wait until it get all the way down, and then the next person gonna probably bid.
Bonus time.
That's not. Guess they think 4550 is the max you get, because then you got a buyer fee on top of that, and then you gotta pay to fix it. So they leave you about $2,000 on the bone, $3 grand on the
Sold.
skin. You sold it. Let's see what this.
New bidder.
2010 Nissan Altima Black, 139,000 miles. Primary damage is the front end. Yeah, this is a Nissan. You can find parts of those. See, always gotta make sure the airbag didn't deploy. So you're gonna need a radiator support. Headlight, bumper, fender,
New
hood.
bidder.
You could have found that $1,000 like this person might do. That ain't too bad. You still got some good money right there. You take it to the body, man. Let's say.
This is a hot lot.
You get it for $1,000. $1,500 worth of body work. 15. If you want somebody to get it fixed for 15.
Bonus time.
You can get it for 900 plus the bar fee. Then you find somebody to fix it for 1,500. They'll fix it for 1,500. Then they'll buy here, pay here, let that thing out for like 10, 11 grand. You be in the good for that.
Sold.
You got a 2010 Nissan Altima for 950. That's crazy. So say bye.
Bye.
Go finish eating your chips. Don't waste them. Yeah, so man, the prices at Copart, they're coming back down. I don't know if that was just in the Memphis area or if in the Memphis and the Texas area, but from what I've seen, the prices on Copart and the prices of cars on Copart is going back down. So hopefully the prices at the auction are back down. But yeah, there's some good deals. If you at Copart, you can make a lot of money getting those cars. And if you gotta have a good body, man, that's gonna get the car in and get it fast and be able to fix it for a reasonable price. Because Copart do have some crazy buyer fees. I do want to walk the yard one day this week at Copart just to show you like what to look for at Copart and the best cars to buy, best kind of wreck cars to buy if you don't know already. So I'll try to get that for you this week or next week sometime soon. But if you haven't already, drop a comment on this video. If you're not a big commenter, like I always say, just drop a thumbs up on the video. It's greatly appreciated. You don't have to write a whole paragraph. Just drop a like and a thumbs up. It goes a long way with the YouTube kind of algorithm to help my videos get out there. So if you can, just drop a thumbs up. If you're not a big commenter, I really appreciate that. I'm out. I'll see you guys tomorrow at the auction. Peace.